Google Veo 3 review. Does it live up to the hype? If you're curious about Veo 3 and whether it's worth the investment, here's a deep dive into its strengths, limitations, and real-world value. Starting off with what Veo 3 does best. Veo 3 generates 8-second cinematic clips with built-in audio, dialogue, SFX, music, using Google's Flow/Ultra plan. That's $249 per month. The visuals are crisp and film-like, with accurate lip syncing, real-world physics, and even ambient background sounds, all from a text prompt. It excels at simple high-production scenes like drone shots over forests or stylized sitcom setups. Next, real-world use and industry impact. Filmmaker PJ Asseturo used Veo 3 to produce a parody ad in just 3 days, which went viral and led to a commercial deal, showing its real-world impact and professional potential. Canva and YouTube are integrating Veo 3 into their platforms, signaling broader adoption and accessibility. However, this is where Veo 3 still falls short. It struggles with complex multi-scene continuity. People change appearance or lip sync falls out of sync across shots. Audio quality can be inconsistent unless you switch to experiential mode, and the user interface occasionally glitches or times out. There are also growing concerns about generating misleading deepfake style content, which raises ethical flags. To discuss user feedback, a hands-on test rated it around 6.5 out of 10. Great dialogue and visuals, but buggy and expensive for casual users. Another viewer praised its simplicity and powerful flow interface, but warned against trying to stretch outputs. Scene extension and continuity still need work. Reddit users are blown away by the realism. One called it so realistic it's freaking people out. For the final verdict, as for the pros, cinematic 4K style quality, synchronized speech, sound effects, and intuitive text-to-video prompts. Cons: high cost, glitches in continuity, audio is imperfect, and ethical concerns remain. This is best for professionals and brands seeking fast, high-end content creation. You may want to avoid if you're a casual user. Cheaper and easier tools may serve you better. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.